Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 7th class mathematics, exercise number 4. Let's see the exercise number 4, okay? Right. The question number 1 is, students, fill in the blanks. In last class we discussed plus into plus is equal to plus, and minus into minus is equal to plus, and plus into minus is equal to minus, and minus into plus is equal to minus. This fourth concept I discussed previous class on students. Once revise that topic, you will get this type of problems. You can understand easily. Okay. Right. First of all, minus 100 into minus 6 students. First multiply minus symbols. Minus into minus here plus. Minus into minus plus 106 600. Here minus 3 dash, answer is 3 is given, students. Here I should select one number. I should fill up this blank. Which number I should keep here? That is the question marker. Take any number. If we multiply minus 3 with that number, we should get answer is 3. Simple. Minus 1. I want answer 3 means I should multiply 3 with 1. Why? Because 3 ones are 3. Already minus it. Minus into minus plus. Right. Plus into minus minus. 106 is 600 students. Next. Third one, minus 20 into minus 10. Minus into minus plus 20 tens are 200. Next. Plus into minus minus students. 15 threes are 40. This is first answer students. Let's see the second answer. Okay students, here question number 2 is, find each of the following products. Here product is nothing but multiplication students. We have to multiply the numbers here. The first one is 3 into minus 1. Here first we should multiply signs first. Beside 3 nothing is, that means I should plus. So plus into minus is minus. No, 3 ones are 3 students. The answer is 3. Similarly second one is minus 1 into 225. First minus 1 into 225, 225 students. Next. Third one, minus into minus, first plus students. 21 into 30. First multiply here, 21 into 30. Now here I am multiplying 0 into 1, 0. 0 with 0 into any number, 0 students. Now 0 into 2, 0. One number completed. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 0, 3, 6. The answer is 630 students. 21 into 30, answer is I got 630. Now similarly find minus into minus plus students. Here 316 into 1, 316. Next fifth one is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18 students. Now 0 into any number 0. Now minus 15 into 0. 0 into that number minus 18 is the final answer is 0. If you multiply with the 0, you will get answer is 0. Okay. Remember one point, 0 into any number is 0. Here minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. First multiply these two numbers. First minus into minus plus 12 into 11. First 12 tens are 120. 120 into 11. 120 into 11. 1 zeros are 0. 1 twos are 2. 1 ones are 1 students. Again 1 zeros are 0. 1 twos are 2. 1 ones are 1. 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 13, 20. Answer is 13, 20. Okay. Next. Question number 7 students. Minus into minus, first place. 9 3s are 27. 27 6 are. Multiply students here I am multiplying. 6 7s are 42. 4 carry. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 16. Answer is 162. Next. 8th one is minus 8. Minus into minus, first place. Plus into minus, minus students. Now first multiply 18 5s are 90. 94 is 9 4s are 36 students. That is 360. Next. 9th one is minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Next. First 10th one is multiply symbols. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. 3 6 are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 ones are 36. Okay. Yeah, this is Question number 2, students. Let's see the question number 3. Okay, students, here question number 7 is: a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 0 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Okay, students, first write present the room temperature is given, that is 40 degree centigrade. Okay, the total decrease in temperature after 10 hours at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade at hour is equal to, after 10 hours temperature is decreasing, student, that is 10 into 5 is equal to 50 degree centigrade. I got answer. Now here what we have to find, temperature after 10 hours is equal to, original is 40 degrees centigrade, decrease in temperature is 50 degrees centigrade, therefore 40 minus 50, plus into minus is minus, students, that is 50 minus 40 is 10. Here in this one bigger number is 50, 50 having minus symbol, just put here minus symbol, minus 10 degrees centigrade. Yeah, this is third solution, students. Let's see the fourth question. Yeah, okay, students, here question number 4 is: in a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 1 mark is awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 marks for questions not attempted. Okay, simple, students, this question meaning is: in a class test containing total, example, if suppose example take your sir or teacher is conducting one exam, your sir is giving total 10 questions, sir given total 10 questions. If answer is correct means you will get 3 marks, if answer is wrong means you will get a minus 1 marks, if answer is not attempted means you will get a 0 marks questions, 0 marks, students. Now your first bit is, one person is there in class, that person name is Gopi. Gopi gets 5 correct answers. Gopi got 5 correct answers and he attempted 5 incorrect answers. He attempted 5 correct answers. Equally 10 questions he attempted, 5 questions correct attempted, 5 questions incorrect attempted. No, it asks him what is his score. Okay, simple, students. Gopi's score is total 5 questions are correct. 5 questions are correct means each question carries 3 marks. 3 5s are 15. 5 into 3 plus 1 mark is incorrect. Minus 1 mark is incorrect question, students. 5 into minus 1. No, total he attempted total 10 questions. After 10 questions, 5 questions are correct. Each question carries, if each correct answer carries 5 marks, means he will get total 5 3 15. Okay, now 5 3 15 marks, students. 5 questions are wrong. Each incorrect answer minus 1 means total 5 questions are wrong, means he will get a minus 5 marks. Now total 5 3 15 correct answers and minus 5 is a wrong answer questions. Total 15 minus 5 is total overall score. He got a 10 marks, students. Clear? Now similarly, second person is Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is her score? Simple, students. Total 10 questions are there, you know very well. Second person is Reshma attempted 10 questions. After 10 questions, 7 questions are correct. She attempted 7 questions are correct answers and 3 questions incorrect questions. Therefore, 7 into 3 plus 3 into minus 1. Now 7 3s are total corrected questions, 7 questions, students. Now 3 7s are 21 correct answers, means total he got correct marks. She got total correct marks is correct question marks 21 marks. Now 3 questions she attempted wrong, means minus 3 marks I should remove. Therefore 21 minus 3 is 18 marks. Now total Reshma score is 18 marks. Okay. Next, similarly third person is there, that is Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect and answer out of 7 questions she attempted. What is her score? Okay. Here total 10 questions are there, you know very well, and here Rashmi gets 3 correct answers and 4 in. Now total she attempted 7 questions, students. Out of that 10 questions, 3 questions are correct and 4 questions are incorrect. 3 questions are correct means 3 3s are 9 marks, students. 4 questions are wrong means 4 questions I should remove, means minus 4 marks she got. Now 9 minus 4 is 5 marks. Okay. Yeah, this is the question number 4, students. This question is very important. This type of questions you will get in exam point of view. So they will change the just number, students. Topic and concept is same. Okay. Put 3 stars and this problem is very important. Okay. Let's see the question number 5. Okay, students, here question number 5 is very important question. This type of questions also will get in final exam, students. And let's see the question. A merchant on selling rice earns a profit of 10 rupees per bag of basmati rice. One merchant is selling rice bags. He got profit on 10 rupees per bag of basmati rice and a loss of 5 rupees per non-basmati rice. Okay, he got profit on basmati rice 10 rupees and he got a loss on non-basmati rice at 5 rupees. Okay, first bit. He sells 3000 bags of basmati rice. He sells 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice. He sells 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice. Totally he sells 8000 bags of rice. Okay, no, in a month what is the profit or loss in a month? Okay, we have to find the month he got profit or loss. Now second bit is what is the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of bags of non-basmati rice sold is 6,400 rupees. Okay, let's see the solution, students. First I given the first bit is profit on 3000 bags of basmati. First he sells 3000 basmati rice. Okay, now 10 rupees he got profit. Okay, right, therefore 3000 into 10 30,000 rupees he got profit on basmati rice, and he loss on 5000 bags of non-basmati rice. Means 5000 bags into 5 is 25,000. He got loss on non-basmati rice 25,000 rupees. No, net profit or loss. We have to find the loss or profit. He got loss or profit. Now he sold that 3000 rupees basmati rice. Each basmati rice bag he got 10 rupees profit. Now 3000 into 10, 30,000 rupees he got profit. Okay, he sold non-basmati rice also. Okay, he sold 5000 bags of non-basmati rice, and each bag he got 5 rupees loss. Now 5000 into 5, 25,000 rupees he got a loss. Now overall we have to find the total month he got profit or loss. No, net profit or loss is equal to profit is 30,000 rupees and non-basmati rice is 25,000. Therefore 30,000 minus 25,000 is 5,000. 5,000 plus 5,000 rupees I got answer. Therefore he got overall month 5,000 rupees profit he got. Okay, clear, students? Next, second bit is as there is no loss or gain, profit on a basmati rice is equal to loss on a non-basmati rice. Simple. Now, but loss on non-basmati rice is equal to 6,400 rupees into 5 rupees. Now, total multiply you will get answer 32,000 divided by number of bags basmati rice sold. How many basmati rice bags sold? In each bag he got 10 rupees profit. That's why take 32,000 divided by 10. Now 1010 get cancelled, students. Here he got 3,200 rupees. He got number of bags of basmati rice sold. Okay, this is a solution, students. Let's see the last question, question number 6. Okay, students, this is last question, question number 6. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true sentence. Okay, some fill in the blanks are there. Here we have to fill the blanks. In that blanks we have to write the proper number, students. -3 into final answer is given 27. In -3, in which number is to example? I should get answer is 27. Now 3 replace the numbers. First substitute 1. 3 ones are 3. Your answer is 27. 1 is not applicable. Not take put 2. 3 2s are 6. Not applicable. 3 3s are 9. 10. 3 9s are 27 is a perfect number, students. And 3 9s are 27. Minus into minus plus. That's why I have taken it minus symbol, students. We should balance minus and plus symbols also. Okay. Now find your answer is minus 35. Minus okay. Get minus, students. Minus is confirmed. No. In 5 table 35 how many times will come? You know very well that is 5 7 35, students. Next. Here answer is 56 is given 7. In 7 table 56 in which number will come? Yeah, 8 times goes, right? 7 8 is 56, students. Next level into minus 12 is nothing but minus 132. Okay, this is fill in the blank, students. You have to fill the proper number in the blanks. Okay, yeah, this is question number 6, students. I have completed exercise number 4. That's all for today's class, students. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel, and like it and share to your friends. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.